I won't do that. No, I won't do that. I went around. I don't know. I just seen a long line. I was like, I just went around to the U-turn and straight across. I don't know about that. Rango sound good.
You talking about me? Huh?
Yeah, that thing sound good.
Oh, I appreciate that, man. Appreciate that, man. Now I like that. I seen that Durango down there, the one that split. I seen that on Instagram. I don't know.
Yeah, I seen most of you call on Instagram.
But I seen that one that split on Instagram.
Damn, I'm pissed I forgot my damn drone.
Yeah, that would have been lit.
I deliberately charged the battery.
Just to bring it?
Just to bring it. Nigga updated the software and all. Updated the software and all.
You put in a lot of work to forget that.
Exactly. I'm being clean. Yeah, when I so my neighbors gonna hate me.
Oh yeah, they gonna hate you. I'm gonna be in the next neighborhood. I'm in the neighborhood over. I'm gonna hear you. Oh, that's Davis getting up over there.
Well, it's for you. It's not. I like that. I ain't never been over here on this side.
I'm telling you,
Nah, this is.
shitty now. I ain't bring my goddamn.
You never been over here to like the Rustin Park?
For what?
There's a beach. There's a whole beach over here.
For what?
See, I ain't never been nowhere over here, bro.
There's a beach over here. There's a
It's a regular beat.
it's like a little beach. You know the person who drive that car? I'm guessing Todd. Fuck the person who drives that car. Okay.
Uh-oh.
I ain't
Yeah,
fucking,
I do.
I didn't fucking. That's the car that I think. If I do see, I might.
So nah, she one of the ones gonna call you out in front of everybody.
She might. Shit, I don't know. I thought it was like a week.
Oh nah, a week? You good? Just a week. It's one of.
Submissive is not in her vocabulary.
Nah, it's one of them things where you hit.
You the bitch now.
Yeah, I'm gonna say, if it one of them things where you hit and just never spoke to her again. Oh yeah, she got some words for you. I want this truck. No, not this one. Yeah, I want this truck, dog.
I want a Raptor.
That bitch got the Hellcat engine in there. That bitch nice.
Really?
Woo, yeah. See that right there?
Okay.
Yeah. The TRX.
Okay.
That bitch so nice.
My front.
Your front. That bitch nice. No, thank you.
That jacket on immediately. You gotta go to the zoo out here, man. The zoo out here is pretty decent.
I keep.
Suck. You really suck. You playing reindeer games. I'm not finna play reindeer games.
I got something coming through. Make it on my phone. Check silver stripes. Oh, yeah, hold on, wait. Yeah, Yeah, that's why I had to stop right here and have my head down. I didn't want to keep on. Nah, I say he gonna keep going until he do.
You gotta come up.
He's gonna get scared one at a time.
Oh, that thing chopping. That thing. Woo.
I already got your baby. She do look good though.
What's it, TRX? And that Hellcat.
Come get me. Stay back this way. Stay back this way.
These niggas just gonna block me. What if I want to leave?
I like the other one more, dude.
You ain't leaving now. No, both of us gotta stick together. I bet more people got more charging challenges. Maybe I should have bagged up some more. The car scene movie. Stevie Mamacita. No. Come with me? Oh. Damn, choppy shot.
Red today.
Oh yeah, that wheel? Yeah, it's tight.
I'm in the way of your video.
But no, you good. So I did order a little light thing too for my shit.
Like that right there?
Shit, when I got it. Nah, it's for the front of my grill, the silver part.
Yeah.
I bought some that lights up like that, change colors and shit. I tip my front windshield like that, bro.
Is that what?
I tip my front windshield like that. That shit's so
How
sexy.
dark that shit is?
Yeah, that shit's so sexy.
Yeah.
Like cruising a bit. Nah, the CS crew that you work with. Hey, what that look?
It might have been shit.
That thing there tight.
Stop lowering.
I seen that one on Instagram too.
Which one?
That one right there. I think both of these actually. Yeah, I see you.
Nah. It
What?
was clean.
Oh, you were smacking bugs.
It's some bugs.
My boy was smacking them buds. Yeah, I like your tent. Your tent dark as hell. I gotta get my tent back there dark.
Nah, no. Beside me. His
No.
back hell.
Yeah, that's about 5% right there.
Okay. You can see the difference. Like that's like street legal.
Yeah, you see it like this, lined up? Yeah, you're about 5%.
My tent about the same. Black shirt. What's up, black shirt?
I ain't gonna lie, I know as soon as I get my shit that dark, I'm getting pulled over. I just know it. I like those, but I like those.
All them niggas standing in the way right there.
Are you ready to sit up? You said what, man? Oh yeah. Yeah, it's one like this, where it light up right here. Yeah, my boy got that Tesla.
Ooh, in the Tesla.
I got that Tesla. Yeah. Shit sound good too. Yeah, run out.
There's something about that all black, man.
I don't like it. It get dirty too quick. I'm never doing black again, but I'm not lying.
So what you gonna do next?
I don't know. I really.
What you gonna get?
I don't know. I want that what's the fuck's name of that gray? It's like Destroy Your Gray or something.
Okay, like the other half of that Charger. I mean, not the Charger, but the Durango that's down there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, like that.
That's what color the Durango my home, bro. You got the home.
Yeah, that's Destroy Your Gray clean. Tooling cars, that ain't my thing, but them bitches fast. See what I tell you? Tell you more mobile people there. I don't know why. It's just a thing, bro. They just like sticking together and shit. Back a little bit. Trust this thing. That's what I gotta get back. I gotta get that Quake back in that bitch.
Nah, but these droppers kind of look like Smith.
You know what I'm saying? Like, the girl in the past, she's like, cool, but that's what I'm saying. That bitch nasty. That bitch low. That bitch low.